Go.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna die.
Go.
Here we go. On 3. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Sunny, nice to meet you.
Mr. Sunny Lenarduzzi.
Oh, does it say Mr. Sunny Lenarduzzi? Thank you. I feel like it's a little bit weird that we haven't actually officially introduced Nav. To you. So Nav is my boyfriend. Nav doesn't love the camera. Do you want to say anything to you two?
How's it going, guys?
I figured if he's gonna be in this, you should probably meet him. We're, I think, 30 minutes away from our Airbnb. I'm very excited. We have arrived! And oh my gosh, our Airbnb is, I'm gonna go with heavenly. It's heavenly. I'm so excited about it. So I wanted to give you a quick tour of what it looks like. So as we're walking in, this is the little staircase down, and then the view, and then we walk in, and first thing that is incredible is this patio. Oh my God. I will basically be living here, perhaps sleeping here. Who needs the bed when you can sleep out here? Look at all the boats down there. It's literally like I'm in a postcard. I can't even deal. And then all the homes over there. I am so happy with this choice. So that is probably the main attraction, but the whole place is pretty nice. It's really big, spacious, which is cool. So it really feels like home, which is why I like Airbnbs usually better than hotels. Oh, sorry, it's a little dark. So let's take a look at the room. Let's walk in, it's the bedroom. And lots of closet room because we have a lot of stuff we brought with us for 3 weeks. And then you walk through the rest of the house and we have the living room area, little dining room, little kitchen, little Nav, and then we have the bathroom as well, which is pretty spacious too. And again, I do not travel lightly. I have a lot of toiletries with me, so that's always good. Cheers! Found my green smoothie at Casa Bodega. Really cute little spot. Lots of healthy stuff on the menu, which is a nice little change, although I'm sure I'll go back to pasta and pizza pretty quickly. Also sweating so profusely right now. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sweating. The stairs here are no joke. So the rest of the day, we are gonna take it easy. Nav is getting up and we're gonna go, I think, explore the beaches. So I'm excited. I think this is how Italian people can eat so much pasta and pizza and stay fit. Oh dear God, they're never ending. Today we decided to go way off the beaten path. We like to go to places where locals would go as opposed to where all the tourists would be. So instead of going to the main beaches, we decided to find some beaches that were really quiet. So we found a really, really good one. That's where we are right now. I'm just sitting in the shade because it's insanely hot. Bit of a trek down here. Saw a snake. Biggest fear in my life. Handled it not well. Wish someone was filming it because he would have been very amused. But we made it and did some climbing and everything to get down here, but totally worth it. And we are very lucky because we actually have some friends here from Vancouver who have a car, so we're just touring around Positano finding a few beaches, and this is the one we're at right now. They are out there cliff jumping currently, but yeah, we're one of like, I think 8 people total on this beach, and you can see Nav right there on the rock. Found a new spot and we are cliff diving and taking in the view. It's near Sorrento. Pretty random little location, and I'm just contemplating if I actually want to jump or not. I have a bit of a daredevil in me, but I don't know, I get nervous. All the boys have already done it. Feeling like a little bit of pressure, not from them, but because I'm competitive AF. I'm like, if you're doing it, I can do it. So, okay.
So one of the keys is like not spending too much time before it. It's fine.
My legs are shaking. My legs are full of shaking. Go from here?
Yep.
Just step. Yeah, just step off.
Legs go. Straight. Straight. Bend and jump straight. Go.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna die.
Go.
Here we go. On 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my ass!
Backwards.
I did it. So scary. Guys, how do we feel about my jump? How is my form?
Bellissimo. Oh, bellissimo. Perfecto. Perfecto.
Except for my bruised ass. Showered up, ready to head out for dinner, and starving. Everyone eats so late here, so it's almost 10 o'clock. And we're just about to head out and grab some food at another highly recommended restaurant.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna feel and get.
Currently reading The Alchemist, which is about self-discovery and finding your own personal path in life, and really honing in on your true gifts. It's a pretty old book and really popular book, so I'm surprised I haven't read it before, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Hi, just got home from the beach. I look a little hot messy right now, but I wanted to check in because I've gotten so many messages while I've been on this trip about vacation as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. So I used to be super regimented, where I would be like, okay, if I'm going away, I really need to check out, I need to cut off everything, I need to cut off social media, I need to fully detox. And to a certain extent, I did that on the first week of this trip. But then I kind of was like, you know what, I feel good, and I'm just gonna check in here and there. And I do trust my team. I have an amazing team that totally could run it without me for the 3 weeks while I'm away. but I still love what I do. And so I think what I've realized is there's no black and white. There's no hard rule or hard line. The only thing where I do really draw a line is my relationship needs to come first. My relaxation and my rejuvenation needs to come first. That's the whole point of a vacation. So by the time that I do want to dive into work a little bit, I should be feeling really good. And so I took the full week off in the beginning. Didn't even open anything, no Slack, no emails, no nothing. And now I'm kind of like, okay, I'll check in here and there, and if my team needs me, they know that I'm accessible and they can message me when they need to. But they pretty much got it covered. But also the thing is, it's different stages of entrepreneurship. So when I was first starting into my business, when I took vacations, they weren't real vacations. I still had to work while I was away. I would be in my hotel room while my friends or my family were doing whatever they wanted, and I would be working with clients and on meetings, and that took a long time to not have to do that, and it took me bringing on people who could help me and basically cover for me while I'm gone. So I think the thing about entrepreneurship that people don't realize is that you think you're doing it for freedom, but it actually is, it takes away a lot of your freedom in a sense. So I just kind of redefine it as I have the freedom to be in Italy, to work here if I choose to, and to not work here if I choose to. That's the freedom I'm after. I don't need to be on vacation all the time. I'm not that kind of person. I actually wouldn't want to, because I like working. I love it, but I also have learned the balance of working while also being present in my relationships and being present while I'm in places like this, so I can actually soak up the surroundings and take it all in and go back feeling rejuvenated. So does that make sense? Let me know in the comments below if that adds up. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on that subject. Good morning! Today is boat day, and I'm really, really pumped about this. This is probably the thing I've been most excited about. We decided to go with a really small boat tour through Airbnb. It seemed to be the best one. There's a whole bunch of different ones that you can do, but most of them are pretty big. So we got a really tiny little group, and we're gonna be going out and touring around and going to Capri today. And yeah, I'm really excited to see everything from a completely different perspective. So, yay! This is so crazy. So we hiked down to this beach the other day, and I showed you guys, and we left our speaker in one of the little caves on the beach, and we just happened to stop here on the boat, and one of the people we're on the boat with is an Olympic or world champion swimmer for Australia, and he just swam over to the cave, and he's now bringing it back for us. We never thought we'd see it again. Meant to be, and just like puts your faith back in humanity.
You got it. I found it. Can I pass it to you?
Oh my gosh, that is so crazy.
We were here yesterday, 2 days ago, and I left my speaker, and he swam and got it.
Can I see the speaker? Can I see the speaker? Can you pass that to me?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course we saw
The hero of the day, that guy. We decided on our quick little pit stop from the boat that we would make the most of seeing Capri, and what better way to see it than from a chairlift. You can see basically the entire view, which is pretty spectacular, and this takes you all the way up to the top of Anna Capri, and yeah, I'm just chilling. Nav's right behind me. We didn't even plan this, so this was a fun little surprise that you can do this. our last night in Positano and we are getting ready to go out for dinner, and I realized that I didn't probably talk about the food as much as you wanted in this video, but I enjoyed it so much that I was really just in the moment and didn't really capture it. So I'm gonna put a list of our favorite restaurants in the description below so you can check them out. Also, if you want more videos like this, let me know. What do you think? This is kind of my first official travel vlog. I did a couple years ago when I was just kind of messing around on YouTube, but I know this content was a little bit different than what you're used to seeing on my channel, so let me know if you want to see more like this. I had a blast making it, and I'm really glad that I decided to get a camera for this trip and capture the memories, because it's something that I know I will want to relive and rewatch several times, because it was just such a magical experience. So hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, hit that like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. And if you want to see videos like this, there's a link below where you can sign up to get personal emails from me for these kinds of videos, the lifestyle videos specifically. So make sure that you sign up there as well. For now, we're gonna say ciao. Wanna say bye now? Enjoy our wine and cheese and head out for our last dinner here. Thank you so much for watching.